Quick disclaimer before the video starts. I know a lot of YouTubers say this just so they can get their comments up, but I'm not sure if I should do these types of videos. So just comment if you want to see more in which type of video. I could do other programming languages, which was my plan, such as C# and other stuff. I'm slowly learning C++, and it'd be amazing to be able to teach other people that. So just let me know. This is episode 1 of Python game development and software development. This will just count as one for both because you need to know all this stuff to start programming in Python. So first, you should know what a variable is. A variable is practically a box with a label on it. When you put a label on it, such as toys, and you put a car in it, whenever you're referring to toys in the script, you're thinking of the car. So if you have a script that says car is a toy, then it's going to print car. But say you add doll to it, then it's going to say car and doll. So let me show you. So toys, that's going to be the name of the variable. The name always goes first. And you're going to put equals. And then to make a list, you want to put this and this. If it's not a list, then you can just straight up go car. But it is going to list because we're going to have multiple toys. So down here, if you want to add something to the list, there's this thing called appending. So, but you don't put appending, you just put append. So I want to do toys, that's append. So that's going to add something to the list. And I want to append car. So when you run the script, nothing happens. So if you want to print in the log or the shell what your script has done, you're going to put print, and then you're going to put whatever you print. You can put a string, which is basically some letters. I could put hi or hello world, but we want to print the toys. We're not going to put parentheses, we're just going to put toys. Now we do that, we'll see that toys has car in the list. Now, say we want to add something else to it. We're going to add a doll. Now, when we print that, it says car and doll. So if we want to print strings, like I said, we're going to go print parentheses test just for now. And then when you print it, you print test. Now, okay, so another type of variable besides strings is true or false. So I can put more than 10, signifying their age, equal false, because say they're only 10. Now, what we're going to put is, so now if I print more than 10, it's false. If I change it to true, it's true. Now you can add, there's one more type of variable. Actually, there's a couple more, but this is the last one that you really need to know. It is a number variable. So if you put, say, age equal to 10, you can put print age. Of course, it's going to print the number 10. You can edit that variable by doing something like age plus 1. But that's not going to do anything because this is only for a variable. So I can put L just for now, just for a test. And now when you print L, it's going to print 10 plus and then 11 because L is age plus 1. If you want to overwrite it, then you're going to have to put, if you want to overwrite it, then you're going to have to put an equal sign after the plus to show that you want to edit that. So now, when I print age, it's now 11. So those are the variables. Next episode will be stuff like if statements, while loops, and classes. That will be a little bit of a longer one. And that one will also go for both game development and software development, considering that you need to know both. After that, I will try to branch off a bit. Okay, see you next episode.